Going viral feels amazing, di ba? Na meron kang hundreds of comments, thousands of likes, at saka million of views. Pero ito yung masakit talaga na katotohanan. Views don't pay the bills. Pwede ka mag-viral every week, pero nagsastruggle ka pa rin sa pera. Bakit? Kasi yung virality gets attention, pero yung strategy, ito yung nakukuha ng conversion. Kung wala kang clear message at yung content mo hindi makapag-attract ng tamang audience at kung hindi mo sila ginaguide papunta sa offer mo, you're just entertaining. Hindi ka nag-grow ng business mo. Now, kapag nag-post ka with strategy, na-attract mo talaga yung right audience at saka nagbi-build ka ng long-term na trust. At ang pinaka-importante is nako-convert mo talaga yung views mo into revenue. Huwag ka maghabol ng maraming views. Gumawa ka ng sistema that converts. So kung meron ka nakuhang value sa video na to, huwag mo kalimutan mag-comment down below at i-share ang video na to.